Are you struggling with organizing your ideas or fixing endless grammar mistakes? Do you also struggle with staying consistent with writing? I get it. Writing can feel overwhelming sometimes. But don't worry, in the next 2 minutes, I'll be sharing with you my top 5 writing tools, both free and paid, that will help you write faster, better, and even more confidently. So let's dive in. Number one writing tool on my list is Grammarly. Let's call it your friendly grammar assistant. You know the one friend that always corrects your grammar, yeah? Grammarly is that one friend, but it does it in a very nice way. It checks your grammar, your spelling, your clarity, your tone. It's a very perfect app for catching all those sneaky mistakes that you might have overlooked before publishing. The amazing thing about Grammarly is that you have it both in the free and the paid version. Number two is Notion. Notion is like the organized writer's dream. Yeah, if your ideas are scattered everywhere, Notion will help you keep your sanity, literally. So let's say you have different book ideas running through your mind at the same time, different chapters and outlines, and you're struggling to keep them all organized so you even don't forget. Notion will help you keep all of this, your book ideas, chapters, outlines, notes in one beautiful workspace. It's also available in the free and paid version. Number three, Scrivener. You see, Scrivener is for serious authors. And when I say serious authors, I mean those who are ready to give their work the push that it deserves. If your words are too basic for your big writing project, I mean, you are saying things like, I am just confused, it said something, just too basic. Scrivener will help you step up from basic writing to professional. That's why I said this one is for serious authors. You can't find it as a free version. That's why it's for only serious authors. It is only a paid version. So get Scrivener today.
Please like, share, and subscribe.